Apple says stolen device protection keeps your iPhone safe, but what if it's the reason you lose everything? I've seen this feature permanently lock people out of their own data, and Apple can't help you. I'm Mark from Ortho Repairs. I fix phones every day, liquid damage, data recovery, logic board failures. This isn't a theory, this is the real world repair. And here's the part nobody tells you. Face ID is often unrepairable. Once it's gone, it's gone. Stolen device protection is hard linked to Face ID. If Face ID doesn't work, you can't disable it. Apple support can't disable it. There's no override. It's locked to the destiny of that phone. With stolen device protection turned on, here's what breaks. Computer backups, phone-to-phone transfers, manual restores. The only way out is iCloud. You need internet. You need iCloud backup turned on, and you might need to buy more storage. If your phone can't get internet, your data is gone. One customer had damaged cellular and Wi-Fi hardware, no Face ID, no internet, no backup. We saved some videos, but not everything. The rest was gone forever. Now let me show you how to secure your iPhone without risking the total loss of your data. Turn on screen time. First, enter your settings, then you'll scroll down to screen time. Have a screen time passcode already set up, which I do. Go to content and privacy settings, and then go click and hit don't allow changes to your accounts. Put your screen time passcode in, and then it will allow people not to change your iCloud account settings, and then change your passcode and Face ID to don't allow. So then people can't make changes to your passcode. If they were able to figure out the passcode to unlock your phone, have a separate password for your passcode for your screen time that's super secure, and make sure you remember it, because if you forget it, you're locked out of your phone and you'll just be at stage 1 in the first place. Your data stays secure, you can still back up to a computer, and if Face ID fails, you're not locked out of your life. Security should protect you, not trap you. If this saves you from losing your data, like and subscribe to Worth It Repairs, because fixing your phone is a lot cheaper than losing your memories.
Fix your tech with